Hello there, we're waking up as Storm Aowen is now moving out of the way. It is a slightly calmer prospect for many this Saturday, but we do have some more unsettled weather to come later today and into Sunday. I'll have more for you coming up.
All eyes on storm conditions. This is not over by any means.
No, the cleanup continues, doesn't it, Charlie and Naga? But actually, the amber warning has just lapsed from the Met Office, and Storm Aowen, having given gusts of 80 miles an hour in Fairhour in the last hour, is starting to move away. So the winds will ease off as we go through the day, and actually, we should see some good spells of sunshine, but a few showers as well. And those showers later in the day will be accompanied by some squally winds as well. But it has been, well, a very stormy period, some incredibly high wind speeds, record-breaking in some areas in the Republic of Ireland. Those are record-breaking winds that we had here, and many areas even around the coasts and inland had high gusts, lively winds through yesterday and, of course, through the night as well. Now, this is the storm system here circulating. We've still got the hangback of cloud and showers in the north. This is what's heading our way later in the day, a band of squally showers. And although there are still wind warnings out across Scotland now, they're yellow wind warnings, we're warning now of icy conditions and some wintry weather across Scotland, Northern Ireland, and the icy conditions across parts of England and Wales. So as we clear our cloud in the south and east, many areas will have some dry and bright weather. The showers diminish further north, but this is on the cards later in the day for Northern Ireland after some sunny weather this morning. These will be heavy hail, thunder, wintry on the hills. So temperatures not too spectacular today, around about 6 or 7 degrees for most of us, but actually it is a lot calmer than it was yesterday. And then through this evening and overnight, we get that band of showers pushing eastwards, hail and thunder with it, some really squally winds, some significant snow over the hills, and temperatures, as you can see, as we go through the night, not dropping as low, but there will be some icy patches around in a few places. But look what's heading in as we head towards tomorrow. Now, this is Storm Herminia, which has been named by the Spanish Met services. It is going to bring more wet and windy weather in, not to the degree that we saw through Aowen, but of course we're still recovering from that storm. Things may have been loosened, and with another bout of gales pushing their way, this time across the Irish Sea coast, again in southern areas, pushing in wind and rain across Northern Ireland, much of England and across Wales. It stays drier and clearer with the early frost across the north, perhaps the odd pocket of fog as well. But it does look like a different day tomorrow. Now, that low pressure system, that storm system, just hangs around into the start of the week, just gets anchored off the west coast of Ireland here. So we're going to see further bands of rain circulating that system as we go through the day on Monday and into Tuesday as well. It looks pretty unsettled, doesn't it? But there's some drier weather in the offing later in the week. But until or between now and then, it's still looking a fairly unsettled picture. Naga and Charlie.
Helen, thank you very much.
Pleasure.